Okay, so this is what we're doing with this lab, is we're trying to figure out if the spaghetti is stronger if it's a short piece of spaghetti, or maybe if I make it a little bit longer here. And which one is going to be stronger? Which one can I put more weight on? The one that's farther apart or the one that's pretty close together? Okay, so that's what we're going to do. And so I'm going to be putting pennies inside this cup right here until it breaks. I'm going to do it with the long one, and I'm going to do it with the short one. Let me show you how this is going to work. So I have the summary question: which is stronger, a long or short piece of spaghetti? That's going to be the big question I need to answer. This is the setup right here, but I need to tape both sides right here. I need to tape that down. So I'm going to do that. But let's see what we got here. So you're going to make a hypothesis. I think that if I increase the distance between the supports, the amount of pennies that I can be supported will increase, decrease, or stay the same. So I got to make a hypothesis before I start this thing. Now I'm going to go ahead and go distance between the books, 6 centimeters. So I got to go ahead and I've got to measure what 6 centimeters is, and that's not 6 centimeters yet. That's more than 6 centimeters. So I have to run that over until it's 6 centimeters. So that's 6 centimeters because it's right there on the 6. Now I got to go ahead and tape down both sides of the spaghetti. I got my hold on, yeah. Okay, so now I got that taped down on both sides. And now I'm just going to put pennies in here in the cup until it breaks. 1, 2, 3. However many that is that it finally breaks, I got to go ahead and put it on my trial 1. Let's say it's 25. I don't know, but let's say it's 25. So I would do that right there. Now I do it again, maybe a second time, maybe it's 30. And maybe I do it again, maybe the next time it's 20. So I would have to add up all of these. So that would be 25, that'd be 55, 65, 75. So my total would be 75 because I'm adding up 25, 30, and 20 to get 75. And then I'm dividing 75 by 3 because I have 3 trials. So 75 divided by 3 is 25. So that's what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to go ahead and spread this farther apart until it's 12 centimeters. And then I'm going to put the pennies in until it breaks, and I'm going to do that 3 times, get a total and an average. And then I'm going to do 18, get a total and an average. And I'm going to see which one's stronger, the long or the short piece of spaghetti. After I do that, I'm going to make sure to do the summary question. Super important. And that's how you do this lab.